Hi, this is your host. Today's video is about how chamomile tea can lighten your hair naturally. If you want to get those golden highlights but are not too keen on the idea of using harsh chemicals, then this video is for you. We will show you how you can use chamomile tea to lighten your hair naturally without any side effects. So let's get started. To begin with, you need 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers and 1 cup of boiling water. You also need a bowl, a spoon, and a strainer. First, add the chamomile flowers to the bowl. Pour the boiling water over the flowers and stir it all around. Cover the bowl with a lid or plastic wrap and let it steep for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain the tea into another bowl or cup. Discard the flowers and wash your hands. Next, you need a spray bottle. Transfer the chamomile tea into the spray bottle. If you have very dark hair, then add a few more chamomile flowers to the tea to make it stronger. Give it a good shake to blend the ingredients. Now you need a wide-toothed wooden comb to apply the tea evenly on your hair. Now here comes the fun part. Spray the tea on your hair, focusing on the top section. Use the comb to make sure that the tea is evenly distributed from root to tip. Leave the tea in your hair for 1 hour. For best results, put on a shower cap and wrap your hair in a towel. This will help the tea to penetrate your hair shaft and bring out the golden hues. After an hour, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Do not use hot water as it will reduce the effectiveness of the tea. Once your hair is wet, shampoo and condition as usual. Finish it off with a cool water rinse to add more shine to your hair. That's it. Your hair will be lighter and brighter. The chamomile in the tea will add highlights to your hair, making them appear brighter than before. Not only that, but the antioxidants in the tea will also take care of your hair and scalp health. You can use this tea as a rinse after every wash for maintaining the golden highlights. For best results, use this hair rinse once a week. Store the remaining tea in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. After that, make a fresh batch. So that's it for today. Let us know your experience with this hair mask in the comments below. Like and share this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more such amazing videos.